Looking for a safe exercise to mend upper back pain? I'm Dr. Justin Lin, pain specialist at Rehab and Revive Pain and Wellness, and we've got a great one for you right here. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs below in the descriptions box. We appreciate your support. I can think of a few reasons that having a solid upper back is important. 1, improving your posture. 2, a stable foundation and support base for your shoulders, neck, and arms. And 3, sexy upper backs are always nice on the eye.
I'm so done.
So let's get to this exercise.
All right, we're gonna get into this sexy upper back exercise, the Komodo Dragon. In a way, it looks like that Komodo, that lizard, moving in a very kind of rhythmic way, right? So you're gonna get their shoulder blade into this, and that's what makes this exercise great and retrains all the muscles around your shoulder blades, especially the rhomboids. So how you wanna set this up, you wanna put a pillow underneath your belly. You can do this on the floor. And you want to put the pillow underneath your belly to protect your lower back. But what you want to do first is, one of the first steps is to really push out that shoulder blade. You want to keep that kind of nice line or nice big tension right here. Then what you could do is you could just hold that. If that's too much or it takes a lot of effort, then you're done. But to progress, you want to be able to kind of keep that and shift your weight. So you want to be able to keep that, shift your weight. Once you get really good at this, then you can add the Komodo Dragon part of it, is turn your head to the same side, keep that tension, you're gonna start shifting and drop that shoulder blade like this. You don't wanna do this. This is not the action, right? So it's up, turn your head and go down. And you only go down as far as you can hold that position. Turn your head and go down that way, right? Turn your head and go down that way. Turn your head and go down that way. Turn your head. So you're dropping that shoulder blade. In a way, this is actually, when you're looking overhead in your car, you should be doing it this way. Drop the shoulder blade and look behind you. Drop your shoulder blade, look behind you. A lot of people, when they're driving, they just snap their necks. And over time, you're gonna break down. So you basically prop yourself up, drop that shoulder blade, look, yep, so there you go. So prop, turn your head, drop that shoulder blade, and go. Now you want to make it a little tougher. You add a little TheraBand into this equation. So first you can work on propping it up first. You're gonna pull and create tension, right? Pull and create tension. And then you can just do the weight shift if you want, or you can turn your head, drop your shoulder blade, and pull out. This is a very tough exercise. You can pull out and then turn your head and pull out, right? So turn your head, and you don't want to drop again. Remember, you want to maintain that nice upper back. So turn your head and pull out, right? Or you could just keep it like this and do both arms. You could do one arm, you could do both arms. And that's pretty much the progression. It gets really tough, it gets really tiring. Just only 3 or 4 minutes, my upper back is tired, so.
Let us know your thoughts on our video and leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.